I like to say hello to everybody. My name is John. I live in the area. I'm from Massachusetts. I have a Bostonian accent. And I just like to say I'm very happy, very pleased with my current situation. But I want to take it back in time prior to seeing the center and Dr. Pearl. And I just want to say that prior to seeing Dr. Pearl, I was going through a very difficult stage with my knee at that time. I've always been very outdoorsy. I used to hike, I used to ski, a lot of yard work. I was in tune with nature, constantly going outside the house, going for my daily walk. And then all of a sudden, I noticed there was a change in my knee, and it got progressively worse as time went on. So I thought it was a temporary thing, but I got to the point where I had difficulty climbing stairs. I had difficulty doing simple yard work like raking, and pretty much year round, it bothered me. And I delayed it. I figured things would take place over time, and I go back to a healing process, but it got worse. Finally, after delaying almost too long, I decided to make my contact with Dr. Pearl. And when I walked in, they made me at ease. I felt relaxed. I had some conversations with people, and I got to the point where I felt like I was talking to real people that give me information. And the whole process, from the beginning when I first walked in to the time I walked out of this treatment office, I was totally relaxed and they put me at ease. I just want to let people know that they were very friendly, just an enjoyable experience. I highly recommend going to the treatment center, having a conversation, explaining your situation, and then setting up a date for treatment. After the treatment, I went through a period of time where I was just waiting for a kind of not a complete change, but a gradual change in my inflammation and my knee pain. It took a few months. I noticed gradually I was coming around a little bit. I was testing my knee by going for shock walks. And generally, the pain was still lingering a little bit. On a scale of, say, 1 to 10, it was probably mid range, anywhere from 5 to 6. And a number of months went by, and it slowly was healing, but I was a little concerned about that. So, what I did at that point, going into the first year of treatment, there was some pain, but it was improving, but not fast enough for me because I'm an outdoors person. I like the activity, you know? So, I was getting a little bit frustrated. So, what happened? I enhanced my exercises, drank more water. I would say I'm completely healed going back about 3 months in time from the time we're talking right now. So I'm happy, I'm satisfied, and I'm very thankful.